Hi guys, this is Mesh and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me here today, and I am going to do an unboxing video of a very special order that I made at Amazon. These are things that I'm very excited to have this week, and let's open this together. Anyeonghaseyo! So what I have here are some of my favorite Korean grocery items, and thanks to Amazon for 2-day Prime shipping for their Prime members, and without even stepping out of my house, I have these goods ready to enjoy here at home. So how about you guys? Have you tried eating Korean dishes or ordering Korean grocery items? So guys, this is my very small order of Korean grocery items, and I'm very excited to have these, and I'll share with you these individual items. Here we have the gochujang, which is the hot pepper paste, and this one is a favorite of mine to use for gimbap, bibimbap, or a dip for pork and beef. This has 3 levels of spiciness, and I like the medium spicy, medium hot, I mean. So at the package, there's always that level of spiciness that you can see. So if you like it hot or if you like it mild, choose the right one for your taste. And here, this is doenjang, which is from soybeans. This is a paste that I used usually for my jjigae or stew. So this is milder than the hot pepper paste. So if you don't like hot, you might like this one. Here we have the sweet potato glass noodles for the Japchae, and I like this kind of noodles. I think this is healthier than Filipino noodles. So it has 3 packs, and 1 pack is good for 1 serving. And I hope you'll try this one because this is good. And another one that we have here is this Jajangmyeon, which is black bean sauce noodles, instant noodles. Usually I just buy the regular ramyeon, but this would be the first time that I'm gonna try this black bean sauce noodles. So I hope I will not be disappointed because I know a lot of people like this kind of noodles also. And another one that I bought is this pancake mix, Korean pancake mix for jeon. A jeon is any pancake mix that's being fried. So you can coat vegetables, fish, seafood, or any other kind, mostly vegetables actually, to make jeon. So I can't wait to try this one. My friend suggested this brand, so I hope it is as good as she says so. And I'm very excited to try once again this tteokbokki. It's been a while that I haven't tried tteokbokki, so hopefully this is as good as the last one that I tried, and I already forgot what's the brand that I bought at my H Mart. So tteokbokki is sweet rice cakes. So the rice cakes are being fried and mixed with this hot and spicy sauce. So you can make it as spicy as you want or something like that. So I hope you're gonna try this someday too. Also, I have this favorite snack of mine. It's gim, roasted seaweed that's been flavored with either sesame, wasabi, olive oil, or other kinds. And this is kind of addictive. So hope you try it, and you'll enjoy it too, just like I do. So I hope you guys are going to try also some Korean grocery items and dishes, and I can't wait to try the Jajangmyeon, tteokbokki, my jeon pancake mix, Japchae noodles, and the jjigae stew that I'll be making using doenjang and gochujang. So again, thank you for joining me. 감사합니다. 사랑해. Until the next time, 안녕. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked, share, subscribed, and don't forget the notification. See you next time.